In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix movie sound problem on Telegram app. If you are playing a video in Telegram and the audio is missing or unusually quiet, don't worry, this walkthrough will guide you through simple checks and settings to get the sound back quickly and reliably. Start by opening the Telegram app on your mobile device. With the app open, play the video that's giving you trouble so you can test changes as you go. While the video is playing, check your device's volume. Use the physical volume buttons to bring up the on-screen slider. And make sure you are adjusting the media volume specifically, not just the ringtone or call volume. Many phones separate these, and media volume only appears when something is actively playing. Also, make sure your device isn't muted. If your phone has a physical mute or silent switch, confirm it's set to allow sound. Next, look at the video player inside Telegram. Tap the screen while the video is playing to reveal the player controls. Check for a speaker or mute icon and make sure it isn't muted. Sometimes, the in-app player can be muted independently of your device volume, and unmuting here immediately restores audio. If you still don't hear anything, go into Telegram's settings to confirm in-app audio behavior. From the main Telegram screen, open Settings. Then tap Notifications, scroll to the in-app section and ensure that in-app sounds are enabled. This setting helps Telegram handle audio cues properly inside the app. After toggling it on, return to your video and test the sound again. If the issue persists, it may be related to temporary files. Clearing Telegram's cache can resolve odd glitches without affecting your chats. Go to Settings, choose Data and Storage, then tap Storage Usage. Here, select Clear Telegram Cache. This removes temporary files and cached media that can cause playback problems. Your messages stay intact, and cloud-based media can be re-downloaded as needed. After clearing the cache, try the video once more. Finally, restart the app and check for updates. Close Telegram completely, so it's not running in the background, then reopen it and test your video. Head to your device's App Store and see if here is an update for Telegram. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can directly resolve audio issues. Following these steps in order: checking device volume, verifying the in-app player, enabling in-app sounds, clearing cache, and restarting or updating covers the most common causes of missing movie audio in Telegram. Give each step a quick try, and you should hear your video loud and clear again. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.